Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually increase the input volume of your microphone in OBS Studio. Now, to do this, actually open up your OBS Studio software, and here we're going to show you how to actually increase the volume when you talk through your primary microphone. Now, the first thing that you want to look for is the audio mixer right here. Now, if you can't find it, simply head down to the docs right here and make sure that it is enabled inside the dock of your layout. Now, once you've located your primary microphone right here, we're going to the settings. Now, let's say you can't find your primary microphone. You go down to the sources, add a new source, go down to audio input capture, press OK, select the device that is your primary microphone and press OK. Now, this will add your primary microphone. I'm going to delete this real quick. So remove, and here we're going to the settings. Now, as you can see, if I want to increase the decibels with the drag and drop meter, it doesn't work. I can't increase it via here. We're going to the audio advanced properties right here in the two little cogwheels. Now simply open this up, and here we have the advanced audio properties. Now here we're going to the snowball, our primary device. Now, as you can see here, we have the decibels, and here I can increase it by some decibels, as you can see right here, and my voice gets louder and louder. Now, if you want to change it by percentage, as you can see right here, I can also change that, and then it should be automatically saved. Now, let's say this still doesn't fix your issue and your microphone is still very quiet. Now, this can be due to the Windows settings. So simply open up your Windows settings, go to search, type in settings, and right here we go to the system settings, located the sound settings. Now, inside the sound settings, we're looking for the input settings right here in the middle. Now, here you have two options for me. We're choosing the main microphone right here. Now, let's say this is your main microphone. Make sure to put this at the maximum format. And here you see the input volume. Now, sometimes it's set to a very low input volume. Now, here you can change this. Drag this meter all the way up, and now your input volume should be at the max amount. Now, if this still doesn't fix your issue, please leave it in the comments down below. If it does fix your issue and if you learned something, please leave it in the comments down below as well. Leave a like and subscribe. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.